How to install and manage WordPress plugins with ease. So here's the problem we've all faced. There are literally thousands of plugins. Just choosing the plugins you want is a full-time job. Then you have to install the plugins, not just one time, but every time you want to set up a blog. Plus, every time they have to be updated, you again have to go in and update each one of them. And you have to delete them each time. So it's a lot of work for just one domain. Now, if you're like most of us, you have multiple domains, and that means it now becomes work. So let's take a look at an easy tool that changes everything. Introducing Plugin Dashboard from mydomaindashboard.com. Let's go over and take a look at one of my domains. And in order to install this plugin, what you're going to do is you're going to go into Plugins, Add New, and because it's a paid plugin, you would upload it from your hard drive. So you upload, you browse for it, and then you're going to find it on your hard drive. All you have to do is just point to it and then click to open and install. Now, I've already installed it, so I'm going to go over here to Installed Plugins. After you've installed it, you're going to activate it. Mine is already installed and activated, so I'm going to come down here and I'm going to look at Plugin Dashboard and click right here on Dashboard. Now, here's one of the things I love about this plugin. It essentially has gone through and already decided for me several of the best plugins that are out there. So, for example, in the category of search engine optimization, I can use All-in-One SEO Pack or Platinum SEO or SEO Ultimate or WordPress SEO or no SEO plugin. I'm actually going to use WordPress SEO by Yoast. Now, I like to use Robots Meta, so I'm going to go ahead and save those changes. Now, I can also notice as I save those changes, what it's done is it's gone through and it went through and updated all of my plugins for me and automatically did it that quickly. So it went through and it installed over here in plugins. If I look down at my installed plugins, I'm going to find that it installed the Robots Meta that I just checked off. It also installed the WordPress SEO that I just checked off, and it activated those things for me as well. Now, of course, I'm going to go through and do the settings, but the wonderful thing is it's that quick. Now, let me come back over to the dashboard again, and let's look at some of the other categories. In the area of navigation, you have several different things here. You have a lot of different ones over here in traffic. You have all of your social media plugins here, your Google Analytics. You've got some of the other paid plugins and management plugins that I use. And then, of course, you also have some e-commerce plugins over here as well, and security plugins. But I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, okay, that's really great, but what about those things that I like that aren't on this list? Not a problem. Right down here at the bottom, there's an area here where you can literally upload your own plugins so you can browse for them on your hard drive. Or if you happen to have them already on a website someplace where you want to go ahead and put those in, you can just copy and paste the URLs for where the plugins are located. So if you have a central place where you're keeping those, it's a great place to just copy and paste those URLs, or you can come through and automatically upload all of those. You can set your defaults on whether or not you want to update all the plugins immediately, or whether you want to delete any plugins not currently in use. Lots and lots of possibilities. The important thing is that you want to recognize the power of a plugin like this. This is Plugin Dashboard, and I want to encourage you to go over right now and get your copy of Plugin Dashboard over at mydomaindashboard.com.